Hey, what's up, DLRs? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking Chrysler Pacificas today, and in the event that your electrical system is glitching, basically, long story short, anything on your instrument cluster is acting sporadically, such as your compass, your temperature, or your TV screens are not turning on or they're locking, we're going to do a soft system reset. Let's get started. Alright, DLR's made our way outside. In front of us now, we actually just purchased a white 2025 Pacifica, and more videos to come on that over the next few years, we promise you that. However, to the right of that, our 2018 Pacifica, and in the event that your electrical system is glitching, and it could be as simple as your compass not working, or your screen's getting stuck or froze, we are going to disconnect the black negative cable to the battery, leave disconnected for about 5 minutes, allow the onboard computer to fully reset. Coming inside the driver's seat and down to open up the hood. No need to rush that or be aggressive with it. You don't want to damage that or break it. Back out front with the hood open, gaining access to the entire internal engine compartment, and coming to the right or driver's side, we've got our main or large primary battery. To the left of that, our small motorcycle size or jet ski size auxiliary battery. We are going to leave that alone. Come to, again, our large main primary battery. And right there is the terminal or battery lead for the negative side or black cable. We are going to loosen and remove that, again leaving disconnected for 5 minutes. Camera now in position, coming in with a 10mm ratchet and socket, and again just loosening that 10mm nut. Not removing it fully, but again just loosening it. We are going to pull up and remove that connection. And I'm going to push it aside and rest it in a place where it's not going to shift and reconnect to that terminal of the battery. That would interrupt the reset procedure and cause sparks. Not good. Alright, DLRs, we are back with you. It's been about 7 minutes, and we are going to re-secure this, and it may spark. That is normal. However, push it all the way on and flush as far down as you can and re-secure that 10mm nut. Taking a step back, and DLRs, double check everything, and if all looks good, carefully close your hood, start the engine, and hopefully your entire electrical system, after a minute or so of the engine running and the electrical system on, is reset and no longer will glitch or cause issues. Back inside the vehicle, I'm going to compress the brake and start the engine. And everything seems to be working as designed. I'm going to go through the little settings here, and that's working properly again. Great. And over to our screen, and that's working. And if yours was locked up, hopefully it is no longer locked up. As you see, ours is not. And one more test, putting the transmission in reverse, and that screen should go to the reverse camera. As you see there, great. Sometimes that disappeared and did not work when we actually put the transmission or vehicle in reverse. And to neutral, drive, back to neutral, reverse. Let's see if that camera turns back on, and it does. Great. To park. DLRs, that's it. Hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. In addition, down below in the comments and description will be additional video links showing reset procedures for your TVs, your compass, and more.